Have you ever wondered what happens after you click the Buy Now button on Amazon? Within seconds, your order generates customer, payment, inventory, and delivery data. But where does all this information go? Today I will show you how companies use Snowflake behind the scenes and why this skill is creating exciting career opportunities. Let's follow one simple order. When you purchase a mobile phone online, multiple systems start generating data. The website records your activity, the payment gateway processes the transaction, the warehouse updates inventory, and the delivery system tracks your package. Years ago, companies stored data in traditional databases, but today businesses generate massive amount of information every second. That's why companies are moving to cloud platforms like Snowflake, which help them store, manage, and analyze data quickly without worrying about infrastructure. E-commerce companies use Snowflake to understand customer behavior and improve sales. Banks use it to analyze transactions and support fraud detection. Healthcare organizations use it to manage patient information and generate reports. But here is the interesting part. Snowflake doesn't just store data, it helps businesses turn data into decisions. Many students ask me what Snowflake professionals actually do. A typical day may include writing SQL queries, loading data into Snowflake, monitoring data pipelines, creating reports, and helping teams make better business decisions. As more companies move their data and AI workloads to the cloud, demand for Snowflake skills continues to grow. That's why learning SQL, data warehousing, Snowflake, and real-world projects can help you build a strong foundation for data engineering careers. In our training, students work on practical projects, cloud-based exercises, resume building, and interview preparation. So they gain hands-on experience, not just theory. If you are interested in data engineering, analytics, or cloud careers, now is a great time to start learning Snowflake. Comment Snowflake below and join our free demo session to see how real projects are built.